Alright then guys, it's your man just droning cameras once again. Just been out with a camera, Osmo Pocket. Took it out of the car with me. This time the wife held it and we went to the local superstore here in Sheffield in the United Kingdom. And I just did a quick hyperlapse, and also whilst I was in the store I just did a little bit of slow motion. I'm just posting these videos on just to get show you what it can do. The hyperlapse I did, yeah, I thought it was a bit too fast. I think I did it at 15 speed, which I probably should have done it at 10 because the cars just look, as you'll see, they look just a bit too quick for my liking. So next time I go out in the car or whatever, I shall do it at 10 speed, see how that goes. Like I said, I did a bit of slow motion whilst inside the shop, nothing special. It's just so I could get used to the camera and how to hold it, how to use it, for when I actually go filming properly outside and whatnot, and then try to get some cinematic views with the camera. But we'll have to wait and see what happens on that one. So yeah, if you like this type of content, please press the big red button and also ring the bell, and then you will never miss a video when I upload one. So, and yes, also please go and subscribe to the Drone Seekers and the Yorkshire Drone Seekers as well, and also the camera lady Jeanette Pickering. So yes, please go and subscribe to those three. Alright then guys, I shall see you later and have a good one. Bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ready to